Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you a working example of CI for Salesforce ISVs. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a continuous integration flow of a development feature branch using all cloud-based tools. We like to call this CI in the cloud, using cloud tools like Github, CircleCi, and Salesforce Metadata API with Ant. You can have Salesforce Continuous Integration the easy way. So maybe you've already seen CI using Jenkins with sandboxes and found it difficult to get set up. Using a new technique by converting a partner DE org we'll call PDE into a TSO, trialforce source org, we're able to clone dev orgs using TF templates in just minutes and set up a feature branch flow in record time. Step 1. Fork the example repo. Go to our public repo to see a working example of our Cloud CI project. We'll cover the complete setup in future videos, but to get started, look at the Circle YAML and Ant build XML file. Step 2. Make a new dev PDE org using the html-signup form. You will find in the repo under the root html-signup folder an HTML form called PDE TSO CI df14 warehouse.htm. Complete the form. Make sure to use your real email address or you won't get an email from trialforce to access your new org. Step 3. Wait for the email and set your password. Click on the link in the email and continue with setting up the password and security question for the new dev PDE. Make sure to write down your new password somewhere safe. Step 4. Update the username, email, and reset your security token. Set the username and email to contain the name of your dev branch to ensure you follow a standard practice on your team for keeping track of all of the feature branch orgs. This will help keep things consistent as your team picks up speed and sprints for maximum velocity. You will need the security token in the next step. Step 5. Create a dev.branch in Git. Here, we're using the free Atlassian source tree tool to connect to GitHub to create a branch from the sprint.1 branch. This is a new setup for us, so we're showing a branch from QA to dev.branch1, which is okay since the QA branch hasn't had any commits to it yet. Step 6. Create dev.branch properties for CircleCi in Ant build. Here we show copying the build.qa properties to build.dev.branch1.properties and then editing the username and password. You can copy from QA or sprint.1 since the files are the same. Make sure the password is the new password plus the security token concatenated at the end, and remember to save the file when you're done editing. Step 7. Commit and push the branch to remote. Go back to Atlassian source tree and stage the uncommitted changes to the build properties file. Press Ctrl-Shift-C to commit. Provide a comment and press the commit button. Afterwards, press the push button in the toolbar and check the dev.branch checkbox, and click OK to push your new branch to the remote. Step 8. Jump over to CircleCi quickly, and I mean quickly, and watch the build run. We've already connected CircleCi to our GitHub project, and we're following our repo with CircleCi. Notice, CircleCi already picked up the commit in seconds and runs the deploy and run all tests for our code in the Salesforce org credentials we provided in the dev.branch.properties. And that's it. Super easy, super fast. And we'll be covering more on CI in the cloud in upcoming videos. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. For more exciting stuff, check out our blog.